IELTS Writing Test Tips and Advice. Test duration, 60 minutes, for both academic and general tests. The general and academic training writing tests are usually graded to the same level. IELTS writing test format for academic. In Task 1, you are presented with a graph table, chart or diagram and are asked to summarize and report the information in your own words. You may be asked to select and compare data, describe the stages of a process, describe an object or how something works. In Task 2, you are asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument or problem. Task 2 contributes twice as much as Task 1 to the writing score. IELTS writing test format for general training. In Task 1 you are given a situation where you have to write a letter to request information from someone or explain the situation at hand. The letter may be personal, semi-formal or formal in style. In Task 2 you are given to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument or problem. The essay can be less formal in style with a more personal response than the academic writing Task 2 essay. Task 2 contributes twice as much as Task 1 to the writing score. Helpful tips for IELTS writing test. When you write your answers, remember the examiners are grading you on your expression. There are no wrong or right answers. Examine the questions properly and see that you cater to all parts of the question. Remember to stick to the word limit. If you happen to write lesser than 150 words in Task 1 or less so than 250 in Task 2, you will lose marks. Always write the answers in your own language. If you use the words from the question exactly, you will not be given marks for the same. Do not use bullets in your answers, always write them in full. Arrange your basic ideas into different paragraphs. This shows the examiner how well you can organize your points. Do not concentrate on writing long and complicated answers. Write well, coherent and organize your thoughts well. Ensure your grammar is immaculate. When attempting academic writing Task 1, you will have to select and compare relevant information from data presented in a graph table or diagram. When writing the introduction, never copy the text from the question. Always use your own words. Task 2 of the academic writing test is an essay. Always plan the structure of your essay beforehand. Place a nice introduction, supporting ideas and real-life examples, followed by a conclusion. You are given 40 minutes to complete your essay for Task 2. Always take 5 minutes to first plan your answer before you start writing, and 5 minutes in the end to review for any mistakes. In your essay, keep the last paragraph for a valid conclusion of all the points you've made in the answer. Do not confuse between singular and plural nouns. Always double-check your answers for this common mistake.
Remember, spellings are everything. Standard American, British and Australian spellings are all acceptable in IELTS. Best of luck for your exam.